Welcome back. This is Lalit again, and I'm creating this another video, give you now entire information and about the idea about how you can change your theme color and other aspects of your theme from your setting sections. Last videos, if you have seen it, I have give you a brief idea about design settings and all, but in this video, I've give you an entire more information about it, and by this you will have an complete idea how you can manage your theme colors and designs aspects of this. Now if you go on the back side, if you we are on the dashboard, you already aware of how that this dashboard. Now on the dashboard on the left side, you click on settings. There will be three options where general settings, design settings, and domain manager. We have already explained you about the general settings. Let me click on it where you can set up your website. So this is the first thing you wanted to set it up, everything, your logo, your social media accounts, your configuration about your time zone, currency, and all those things, and integrations about your maps and all. Now for the theme, you wanted to change your theme and using the design settings. So if I click on left side design setting, this is the entire design setting you can have it. So in general settings, you have main website design, additional design settings, header design, default button link colors, footer design, main menu design, sidebar alignment options, and search results designs. So I'm just start by one, so give you an idea about. So main website design, if you see, there is a body background, body font, body color. So basically you can choose any kind of colors, you can set it up that color, and the body font and all those things will be set it up. You can set up your own font families also. Then you have a heading font family, you can choose it. You can choose your font size, you can choose your different colors also. You can also the hover link on the body hover link, that is also you can choose different colors, and then you can also choose your background colors also. This is the main website design. You can choose different colors, fonts, your font families and sizes, and you can set it up. Now then, if you see additional design settings, you can have a module background means there is a different modules, like if you see latest member, these are the modules. And also modules background, what kind of module background you needed, this is the border color you needed, you need a font color, whatever the font is being used into that entire model, whatever the settings you are applying into this, it will be applicable to the entire website. So then also you can set it up different title font colors, you can also put album backgrounds, you can also corner styles, you need a rounded or square, photographs whichever you uploaded, you can set it up that. Profile photo pictures also standard corners or circle corners, you can set it as this up. Now we have header and footer and main menu design. So these are the three main options of any website. So I'm giving you a brief idea. You can set up your header design also at the background, what color, link and font, whatever the link is there, you can set it up. Sign up link font color, transition tool you need it, hide slider all devices you need. Hide, you want to hide the header to all devices, no, you can choose it. Mobile views options, you can also choose it. How do you want to do it, you can choose it entirely from here. Now the footer design also in the similar way, you can set it up like background color, font color, link over, try hide footer at yes and no, show newsletter form, newsletter whichever in the footer sections. If you wanted to show it, you can select from here also. If you don't want to do it, you can also select newsletter different colors, you can set it up. Font color you can set it up. Buttons also, the button whichever on the newsletter submit button, you can set that up also. Within colors also, you can border colors, you can set it up. Everything you can set it up the footer design from here itself. Now if you see the main menu design, you can also the menu whatever we are setting up, the font style, their background, their color, their font family, you want to hide it, you want to do it entire, you can set it up from here. I will create a separate video also for one by one to show how it will be applicable and you can see it, but this is the glimpse of it where you can entirely manage your website. So once you choose it, additional design settings, we already explained it. This is default button link. The buttons like submit, sign up, login, these are primary and secondary button which we have already defined it. So these button also you can set it up, colors, whatever the button you want to set it up, you can set it up from this itself, different button link, you can easily set it up. But the search results whichever is coming across, You can set the way you need it. You want a grid view, map view, list view, popular search, whatever you want it. You can also select your different colors, disable colors, whatever the search has been disabled, everything you have, you can select from here. And then we have different sidebar search on the left and right side. You can also select this right, left. This is also, you can right, left, do not display. Post search is a right, left, do not display. You can set it up from here. So once you choose this, you click on save changes and it will be automatically save all the option over here. So design update successfully. So whatever you choose here, the whole uh, design colors, font styles, everything is being set up and is being stored into your website. So next slide we will cover it off entire one by one. I will show you also design editors. This design editors how is applicable and you can see it. But by this you can easily manage it and easily store your choose color, your font style, and you can manage the design setting. We already explained you domain manager where you can add your domain, whatever your domain for your primary domain and secondary domain, so that this domain can be linked up your directory and be whenever you put up that domain, that will be considered as your directly linked website. So next time when you click on go to website, this domain will be open across and will open your website which is listed to your directory. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can send it as support@brightdirectories.com and we will help you out for setting up your website, directory website easily. Thank you for watching this, and new and exciting another videos and more videos is coming up for your tutorials. You can send us your query anytime. Thank you.